welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is speaking about Erica, the Plankatarians. He spoke about Donna, he mentioned Marcia, he mentioned Tina, and others. Also, Black Screen, the person who we call Black Screen, and Ashanti as well. So, guys, you're gonna have to go and catch the video and hear what he has to say about Donna, the Plankatarians. Erica, as he is, basically addressing Erica and what he is saying that, basically she has been saying that he's saying that what Erica did is not loyalty because someone had came to his page to say that Erica was loyal to Donna, and he's saying that that is not loyalty. He's saying that Donna used to come to social media in long dresses and with the Bible and everything. And, he's saying that that was when God was in it. And he's now saying that maybe the devil has taken over with the Plankatarians. So go ahead and go catch the video, hear what he has to say, and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you a wonderful birthday and all the best for this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day today.
On the self. And Erica calls herself Planka Defender, and she's here to protect Donna from people like Skirly and Tina Chin and Lorraine and me and Gracie, whatever, right? And you're gonna tell me you're gonna sit out here, sit behind the scenes and drag her down like this, yet so your claim say you are loyal to Donna girl? Which part in that says loyalty? Where in that says to you, hello Donna girl, I am loyal to you. Only era. Here for yourself. Don't take it from here for your damn selves.
I say, one of the cheapest casket that in there, that a very cheap casket. Anyway, the woman are dead. When they do with casket, they should have dig a hole and throw her backside in there and throw dirt, panoramic she fertile there. They say enough of mingle with the dead.
When you hear what she say? The casket we're gonna go buy one cheap casket. Don't, listen, let's be real. Whether it is cheap or not, most of us was raised to respect the dead. Respect the dead. Asking myself why I did not broadcast that whole thing. Because I said, no, the woman passed away. I have to respect her. You understand? We must learn to respect dead people. Celebrate them, yes, absolutely. But respect them when I'm going to the damn hole. And to see this woman say she's Donna Defender and the Plank spokespeople and out here discriminate Donna efforts like this, talk down on Donna efforts like this. Does that tell you this person is loyal to Uno? Does this tell you Erica is loyal to you people? Here, all she talk with Donna go, well, the casket with Donna go buy for Richie for flicking in the damn ground. And they're gonna go flipping forever. They're gonna go flipping forever. And Porty, just know I have a lot of voice notes. Merely select a few to come that short right now. Keep frigging with people, and what you're gonna come out here every time and put out more of your voice notes. You are a disgrace to yourself. You're a disgrace to your mother. Your mother should be ashamed of you to know that she brought someone like you on this earth. That must say. Porty, your mouth is bigger. Your big mouth is bigger than your flipping future. Because you have no future. You have no future. Your mouth is bigger. That big stinking wide mouth you have, it is bigger than your flipping future. That must say, you have no damn future. Your life been spoiled. Your life is spoiled. This is why you come out to every day and be tormenting Marcy Campbell, tormenting Tina Chin, and tormenting other people because you think you're doing something great. In fact, you're not doing anything significant. You are a tormentor. And most of those planks on your page, all of you, you should be ashamed of your damn self. Or ashamed of your damn self. I promise you. You people, you don't represent what Donna Guy represents anymore. Bear in mind, when Donna Guy came out here, she dry a big Bible. She wore ties on a long frock. Praise God, praise God. God. Are you guys still, what happened to the God? Those people who's on Erica's page, they once cheered for Donna Guy too. You guys are Donna Plankation people who supports them. What happened to God? Did all of a sudden God left your space and the devil himself took over? Why you guys behave like this every day? Clearly this is what's happening. All the damn demons. You have all time to flipping demons now. This someone said Donegal fan base, it is broken. Donegal, your fan base has broken down because of Ashanti, Black Screen, and Erica. And that Mr. Mina take about I don't care who wanna be upset. Be upset when it's not Maureen. And if Maureen is not upset with me, I am fine. Everything else is secondary. Everything else is flipping secondary. I don't give a shit. Try you back and play one more time.
Man say, and one of the cheapest casket that in there, that a very cheap casket. Anyway, the woman are dead. When they do with casket, they should have dig a hole and throw her backside in there and throw dirt pan her make she fertile.
Disrespectful woman.
Yes, you know for mingle with the dead.
Disrespectful, Erica. Very disrespectful. Yeah, no. Yeah, all the one. Listen to one of Erica's people. She named Mama Joyce. This woman, right? Mama, let me tell you guys a backstory with Mama Joyce. Mama Joyce was kept close to Erica because she's an elderly woman and she can easily persuade people to donate to Erica's charity. Mama Joyce is in her 70s or 80s. Don't quote me. She's an old woman. Hey, Mama Joyce, you see you? Mama Joyce, but before I play, I want to tell you something. Based on my analysis, based on everything you've seen Erica done out here to date, and you continued, you claimed you was a woman of God. You continue to endorse this nonsense. This tells me you're going to go to hell. And Mama Joyce, your end will be bitter. For an old woman of your age, I'm quite sure you perhaps is a grandmother. You have borne children out on this earth. You've brought forth children on this land. Which means I'm quite sure you should love your children. So how dare you, Mama Joyce, for an old woman of your age, in your 70s or 80s, how dare you sit down and see Erica tearing down other people's children? Tearing down people's children, doing the absolute most for content for $5, Mama Joyce? Mama Joyce, you are a disgrace to womanhood. You are a disgrace to grandmotherhood. And I care nothing who are upset. I don't care if you're going to be upset. I'm telling you the truth. It's been a long time I've been meaning to tell not just you, but all of you the truth based on how I see you guys coming out here every day and treating people. We are all children of God. How dare you people act as if you're flipping superior and everyone else is inferior? Who made that flipping law? Who told you that you people, Planka people, Mama Joyce, Erica, all of you, who told you that you guys are superior and everyone else is inferior? This is why you guys can come out here day to day and harass people. Because you're, at this point, oh my God. At this point, you are all gods, right? And that's how it seems to me. But sorry to burst your bubble. Sorry to burst all of your bubble. You are nothing more than mere human beings like myself. And one day, you will all die like myself. We will all die. So while we are on this earth, why not do our best to make that impact, make marks, make meaningful impact, make meaningful. And hello, to hear this coming from me, this should tell you I have outgrown all of you. Most of you are unworthy to be in my presence. Most of you nasty, unscrupulous people are unworthy to be in my presence. You know why? Because you people, you have been indoctrinated in a flipping gang who worship man and woman as if they are the flipping holy grail. Hello, planks. Sorry to burst the bubble. You are all people like myself. We all hurt. We all go through trauma. We all at some point in our lives will have ailments. We all will get sick at some point, right? We all struggle. Most of us came from poverty. So why are you guys out here trying so hard to shut people down from making honest bread? At least the people are not scamming. I mean, look at Tina Chin. Oh no, yes, Tina Chin has cost Donna about a cake, but But I've not heard it done it in a very long time. But Uno, Black Screen, Erica, you all, even the one over there so from England, do it too. Because I've seen them on people's pages cheering them on. Yes! Tear them dirty, girl. Tear them. Yes! They can't them look nasty. Hello? Hello? What is wrong with you people? Don't you guys have jobs too? Don't you guys like money too? Then again, money, the love of money is the root of all evil. I don't give a shit. Who wanna hate me? Hate me. Unfollow me. You are unworthy to be my damn presence. You are flipping unworthy to be my damn presence. I am disgusted. I am ashamed of you nasty, unscrupulous. Hello? Go and seek God before it's too flipping late for you nonsense people. Go and seek the kingdom of God. Go and seek God. You all need deliverance. You need deliverance. Your soul has been stolen from you. And that seminar take you back. Be upset. I don't give a shit. Anyone wanna like, anyone wanna comment. Hello, you know we can actually dialogue if you choose to. If we choose to, we can dialogue. But if you don't, I don't care. I'm not on here for commentary. I'm not on here for likes. I'm not on here for clout. I'm not on here seeking likability from any of you, because at this point, I'm gonna tell you, most of you are flipping haters. Most of you are unworthy to be my damn space. And I'm said, I'm gonna take you back. Or you are unworthy. Flipping unworthy. Most of you are flipping demons. You don't even realize you're flipping demons. Your soul's been stolen from you. You damn fools. Pull back the memory of Mama Jackson and Big Mouth.
You know, see, somebody else have a berry panta passion. So they let his space for somebody there. They let his space for somebody else there. Then to a cheap casket. Cheap casket that. Cheap casket.
Did you hear that? Mama Joyce is there discriminating the casket that Donna got bought to put Miss Richie in. Mama Joyce, my question to you is, when you die, will you leave this world? Will you leave this world in a casket as good as what Miss Richie was put in? Will you go in a pauper's box? Will you leave this world in a pauper's box? What kind of casket will you leave this world in? Bear in mind, Richie was not Donaga's mother. Donaga was not Richie's daughter. I feel in my heart, Donaga did that. She did her damn best. And that was the best she could have done. How dare you, Erica, Jice? I not call her, I call her Jice. Jice Grant, or Jice whatever. You old bag. You old ritual. You old buffalo. Grandmama, may I chat to you, Jice? How dare you come out here and scrutinize and speak down on something someone has done, knowing damn well that person is not her mother? You should say, well done. You should have said, well done, Donna. You see what I'm saying? At this point, all of you, most of you are flipping hypocrites. You are not unified. You are not unified. I've been telling you a long time, let us all unite. But no. Nothing what to want to come play a flipping hypocrite. Right? Because I don't feel like you are God's gift of flipping crazy. You are not. You are. Well, I know a whole people, no whole. On a damn hole. And that myself, on a whole cows, a whole buffaloes, a whole bison, a whole elephant, on a hole. Right? A whole stick man, and stick woman, on a hole. And that myself. I take it back. Right? Why are you out here, this scrutinizing what the efforts that Donegal made to bury Miss Richie? You should have said, well done, Donegal. Thank you for doing your best to bury someone who's not your mother. Thank you for going above and beyond to not just have a 9-night. I think she had a setup too. She probably set up a 9-night, whatever. A candlelight. You should have said, well done, Donegal. You did great. But no, on a behind the scenes, I scrutinize her, and then in the public, on a go like you are with her. You all the one on a damn hypocrite. The one I own is damn hypocrites. I'm so glad I'm not a part of your damn gang bullshit. But that gang stands for nothing, and I'm saying the gang stands for nothing. significant. You stand for nothing. All of you are dogs, shit houses. And that seminar to get back. And I'm glad I pulled away from all of you. I'm glad I was able to sit out and see exactly what's happening inside. I see all of you. Mr. Through the wall on now. And as long as I come in here and I'm respectful, that is all I care about. Do your worst. I'll bring them on live stream. I'm going to appeal. And Facebook put it back. Or you can do noise. You can bring it on the page. I have other pages. I mean, no said my page nah go down. It won't go down. Get out of here. I'm not doing too much. Let's pull for some other voice notes. We have more to go. I could play that one just.
You know, see, somebody else have a berry panta pashi. Let me space for somebody there. Let me space for somebody else there. Then a cheap casket, cheap casket that.
All right.
Cheap casket.
Let's jump to another voice note now. I don't want any of them. I'm gonna keep those for later, another time. Keep all of you for another time too. Go do another star. Okay. Let's hear another one. Let's hear this one.
Fletcher sent $25 and I'm $22 and I'm a cash up for me go buy ganja. When do you know go suck out in thinking bumbo clock mama avoid me, man?
Do you hear it? Erica, let me tell you something. At least I have a mother who's cared for me. I have a mother who cared for me from the day I came out of her vagina. She did her best to raise me into the young man I am right now. Praise God, she never deserted me. Praise God, she didn't put me out there to fend for myself. Praise God, she to me is a perfect representation of what her mother solidifies. And that me say, big up to Moving Daily. Big up to my mother. Can you say the same? If I can remember, your mother, she put it out there for me at 9-year-old for a take body, right? Your mom put you on the road to go and take cock at 9-year-old. So, would you say your mom is a mother? Or she's just a common dirty girl like you? Which is, I have to ask. Is your mom a mother or just a common dirty girl like you, Erica? Which is it? Let me drop for that phone here. 1 second. Is your mother a mother or just a common dirty girl like you who brought for some big back bisons who don't? You see? The apple never fall far from the tree. What do I mean by that? You know, something fell in my eye. I don't smoke. Something fell in my eye and I was rubbing it. It's soon gone. It's soon clear up. So, Erica, I see now that the apple did not fall far from the tree because your mother brought forth children and she did not mind you, right? In fact, she deserted you. And look at you. Her curse rubbed off on you. You brought forth 3 children out here and them in turn deserted their slut mother, them harlot mother, them sell pum-pum mother. Oh my God. What a tragedy. What a flipping tragedy. You should be ashamed of your damn self. You should be ashamed to call yourself a damn mother. My mother is the truest form, the truest definition of what a mother solidifies, what a mother should mean. And I'm proud of her. I'm always going to be proud of her. My mother don't sell her pum-pum. In fact, she found a man and she married him. She married to a man. You hear me, girl? She married to a man. And they're still together to date. Praise God for that. My mother is a lady, not a common dirty girl like you and them nasty dog Plankatarian people pan your page. That me say. Don't you see? We're winning. Over here, sir, we are winning. Erica, did I tell you my mom owns 2 houses in the UK? 2, not 1, but 2. And they're all valid money. I'm telling you, my mother's children, we are blessed. I am blessed to have the woman named Mo. I am blessed to have her as my mother. I thank God every day God blessed me with her as my mother, not a whirling like you, not a dog imbecile like you. Don't you see? Let's pull for this voice note. Let's play another voice note. Not you. Let's play. Oh, let's play that one now.
Fletcher sent $25 and I'm
Me play that one. Me play that one now.
For him. Oh, that dirty stinker.
Listen to the
You
old
want
man.
that kicking him?
Listen to the old woman.
Look at the man.
Old woman Joyce
Look
again.
at the dirty drunk girl.
Old woman Joyce
You
again.
ever see this? Turn to
Old,
sender with some Tory and 19 that you fi do.
old woman Joyce
Return it
again.
to sender and tell him which part we go put it. 22 pounds.